Hey guys, I was leaving and I noticed something. Oh my god, they drive. I can't make this up. They don't know which way the front desk is, but they drive a car. They don't know where their car is either. Lord Jesus, help me. Guys, you gotta get me out of here. Oh my god. Guys, when we replace AC units, this is how we do it. See that crane over there? It's craning up 2 condenser units that are different SEER or different tonnage that can't fit through the roof hatch. So they have to basically rent a big ass crane like this to get them up there. And that's how we do it. This happens maybe 2 to 3 times a week sometimes. See, there's the air conditioning units right there dangling there. So they'll be taking like I said before in one of my other videos, they take off the old units also. So not a heavy lift for a crane to do, but there goes an AC unit right there for, looks like the 16 series. For us that would be like 1, 2, or 3 16, because they're on that corner of the building. And he's gonna set it down nice and gentle on the roof, and they can go from there. But this is how our ACs are delivered to our property and how they get on the roof, because you can't carry, you know, those heavy condenser units, and some of them are too big to actually get through that roof hatch, as I mentioned before. So if y'all were curious of how that our building do, you don't have to bow down that big. You can just let the winch down. Looks like a 116 replacement. South 116. So that's what happens. This is what goes on, that like behind the scenes, that I don't film all the time. I don't get a very good chance of filming it. But they'll probably be putting it down where that old unit was. And they'll probably be loading up like 2 or 3 units and then getting them off the roof. So that's what guys, that's what happens. I mean, if y'all want to stay around and watch, I'll set you up right here and we can watch. But that's what happens right now. I'm in my truck on the opposite side. There's no parking over there because well, hell. Maybe a little shaky, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, crane them up, crane them off, whatever. You got little two-way radios that they're talking to the crane operator on, I'm sure. And what they're probably doing right now is unloading the new one. Then they'll take the old ones and take them off the roof, and they'll put them over by our scrap pile. Our scrap guy will come and get them, and what he does from there is his prerogative. But pretty much how it works here. I thought this would be interesting. The crane operator is definitely like, okay, there's a storm coming, I don't want to be in here. So I don't know, guys. You know what, I'll probably film some more stuff sitting right here for a second. It's lunchtime. I'm taking my lunch break a little bit, and I'll show you some more on the show you some more stuff. There goes an old unit right there. So now they got one of those little cylinder units out of the way, looks like. Y'all can see this is the best angle. I couldn't park over in the south wing because of that crane, so I came over here and parked in the east wing. But oh, don't hit a roof, man. What are they replacing? Oh, he's on the other side. I forgot that's concaved on the other side. So they're taking the old unit down, and the crane operator is just awesome. I met him one time, but he's an awesome guy. They also did a water heater for us, a water heater tank. They had to set it through a hole as big as a water heater. Pretty cool. So that's how we get our air conditionings up and down out of the roofs. People are like, yeah, you're leaving all that old shit up there, you need to toss it, blah blah blah. Well, how do we get it off the roof, dude? You know, when the crane comes, if you're gonna rent a crane, you might as well take the old crap off. Just stack it up there, put it on a pallet, strap it down, boom, done. You know, so that's what they do, and I think they're done now. It took 2 units off of there. I didn't get a chance to film it, but that was just one trade out right there. So they took a new unit, put it on there, took the old unit, took it back down, and that was a trade out. But they've done like 2 or 3 units were taken down off that roof today. So guys, Geoff the maintenance man, that's how we get our units, condenser units, up and down off the roof, because they won't fit through that roof hatch sometimes. And with bigger SEER equipment and stuff like that, you just can't get it up the ladder. I mean, so that's how we do it. Guys, thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I'm Geoff the maintenance man. Y'all stay safe and have a great day.